Hey guys, I'm going to come to you today with a wig review and also a quick styling tutorial on a wig that I have just purchased. This is the Vanessa Wig. It is a C-side lace front part on the side. This is in a C99J, one of my favorite colors. It's also 360 degrees safe, temperature safe. So if you wanted to change the curls up, style it differently, you can. So we're going to go ahead and get started real quick. I have put on my Wiggo. I have my little Wiggo wrap on with the label right there on the side. It's supposed to be underneath the right side. And then I put my cap on. I have my two braids out. I'm going to see, because this is black at the top and red, I might not be able to actually leave my hair out for this, but we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like with it down. So this was the last wig that they had in the store, and I really wanted it, and it was on sale for $33 with a 10% discount. So see, she is beautiful, and I do have this wig in all black as well. So today I kind of want to give her some bangs. I don't want it out. So that's another thing. If I do have to pull my hair back underneath my cap, then I will have to pull my Wiggo and everything down. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace really quickly. I always start cutting my lace in the center. It's easier for me to see, and especially since I don't have my glasses this morning with me. But I can see this pretty good. And plus, since I'm going to leave her with some bang, I can probably, if it's not cut all the way like I need it to be, I could come back tonight or another day and cut it when I can see it better. Because these little eyes are getting old. And I'm just cutting around. I almost cut that strap. That wouldn't have been good. I've been mad. And this lace is kind of rough. This is one of the lace I don't like. Very first time I ever wore a wig, a lace front wig, it irritated my forehead because of the lace. So, okay guys, so I cut the lace out. It's not that much of a, that's probably what, 1 inch right there. I've cut all the way around each side. That was real quick. This wig has 2 combs in the front right there, 1 in the back, 2 straps right here. I should put my necklace on first, so I don't have to worry about this, but I'll grab it afterwards and think about it. So, I guess I'm gonna try it, because actually I'm about to be lazy. If I can leave it out, I mean, put it under, I will. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to not have my hair out. So this is what I normally do to my hair when I normally just twist it back like that. 2 twists, and then I'll wrap them so they'll stay up. And tuck them, whatever is best. And I just failed, but that's okay. I'll fix them again. Be careful, because it's a Velcro strap back there. And so you definitely don't want to get your hair caught in it. But I'm telling you, this thing feels like velvet. Well, actually it is velvet. Laying up against your own head. It feels really good. So yeah, I didn't get that tuck right today. But that's okay. That's because I'm rushing as usual. Rushing for this video because I don't want to film it tonight. That defeats the purpose. So let me try to strip it on real quick. So see, if you wear it, you can wear it like that, which is really cute, and you can pull it down, and you never know the difference. I probably could put a little concealer right there. Don't really need it. I didn't tuck those in my head on those combs because I'm not going to mess my edges up with that. I have my handy dandy, what is this, a teasing comb right here in front of me, because I don't want to cut these curls at all. I just want to give it a little bang toss to it. I mean, you can cut it if you want, but I wouldn't cut it. I like the little moppy look. I like big hair. Scrunch it up. This is reminding me of the lady from Car Wash. I wanna get next to you. And she had all them curls in her hair. I don't know why. I loved her hairstyle back in the day, but even as a kid, because I haven't seen that movie in umpteen years. But, you know, she was pretty fly. I remember that. She wore makeup and all that, and she was cutie. Make me might go rent that this weekend or something, or pull it up and watch it. But yeah, here you go. As you can tell, I probably don't watch movies a lot. I'm talking about renting. I ain't really gotta rent nothing. You get on Netflix, get on my daughter's account. I'm like, give me a password so I can see if Car Wash or something on there. It's probably on YouTube. But that's it. It's a simple bang, faux bang style. Easy to get. You know, if you have some drop earrings, you put them on. I really didn't want to wear the drop earrings because I'm going to put my necklace actually back there that's hanging on. And that's it, guys. And I like it. And I hope you like it too. Like I said, this wig is, well, I paid $33. I'll put a description and a link in the comment box. I will check for sales on it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know what you think. If you like, do you think I should cut it or leave it like that? Because, you know, if you want to actually change the style up, cutting it won't really work. So, you know, so you can tease it a little more. You don't want to make it too frizzy in the front. And there you go, guys. So I'll talk to you later.